Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 3. Find the arithmetic mean of the following numbers. So you have the numbers displayed here. And then A 2.0, B 3.0, C 4.0, D 4.3, E 4.6. So the first thing you will do in order to find its arithmetic mean, in order to make it easy for you, you arrange the numbers in ascending order. So 2.0, 2.1, 2.8, 3.2, 4.0, 5.7, 6.0, 6.2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. Now the formula for arithmetic mean, which is represented arithmetic mean, which is usually denoted by x bar, is equal to summation of x over n. So summation of x means summing all these numbers together, adding all the numbers together, and then n is the number of items you have. That is the number of data, the number of items you have. So summation of x, 2.0 plus 2.1 plus 2.8 plus 3.2 plus 4.0 plus 5.7 plus 6.0 plus 6.2 divided by 8. So that is 32. If you sum that, you get 32 over 8, which is equal to 4.0. So 4.0 is the arithmetic mean, and 4.0 is option C. So C is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.